What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. How are y'all doing today? Oh, we got a lamp. Awesome. We're not first dumpster. We got something. It is a wet, rainy day, so I cannot make any promises how good the video is going to be today. I had to go and buy me some new gloves. I got holes in both of my new gloves that were sent to me. Wore them out. I go through them fast. We'll just take the whole thing and deal with the glass later. That way we can get on down the road and get out of the rain. Oh, that was extremely loud. What's that? Okay. Alright. Yeah, that December rain. It hits a lot different than a July or June rain. Whew. Alright. On we go. We'll do our good luck, good deed for the day. Oh, headboard. Plastic. There's a windshield wiper. But, yeah, we'll grab a windshield wiper while we're already here. Start working on our where did I thought I seen one. I was saying the oldies. Yeah, there's the oldies. There's some big ones, ain't there? Yeah, winning. 2 for 2 on the dumpsters, though. Da, 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 da. All right. 3 for 3. It counts, right? We're 3 for 3 on dumpsters. We can find a can in every dumpster almost, but I want to try to find something in each one. We'll play a game. Yay! All right, 4th one. I got a hide-a-bed. I don't really want to dismantle a hide-a-bed. We're gonna get struck out. Nope, we're not. Guys, I'm just gonna have fun today, so yeah, we're gonna strike out. I want to stab it and missed. All right, well, we tried. Get my sawzall out and cut a piece of metal off the bed. We could. I got it with me. I don't think they appreciate that much, though. Well, we struck out. On we go. Hey, we actually got a piece of drop the tailgate scrap. Alright. Anything in there? We'll take you. Plastic dishwasher. Oh, this thing weighs like 30 or 40 pounds almost. But it's that's what I meant to do. Let's put this bungee where it don't slide around. That ought to keep it. Keep it in place a little bit. On we go. Parked far enough away, didn't I? Just get in the truck. This is where the lady stares at me with her hips on her. Hands on the hip lady. You guys want to leave that? That's pretty gross. We'll keep it. It's metal. There's a popcorn tin back there, but we'll get it as well, maybe. That's pretty gross. It's recyclable though. Ew, look at all that stuff up there. Alright. It's something. I don't know how good we'll do today, but we'll fill that with oil filters too. That'll hold about 5. Alright. I do like finding them for screws and stuff. They come in handy when you're taking apart little stuff. All right, on we go. Boy howdy, I got it. Holy crap. What is all that? Let me see where y'all can see. We'll have to do some getting. That's coming with us too. I might have to start with that. I did not know that was a metal until just now. See what this thing is. Like there's some room in here. On that side I didn't see anything. I was like, I better look this over. I seen all the balloons and I was just gonna do the balloon thing. Like if it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, that's not what we want to do. Oh. 5 days later. Golly. You're a noise. Making some noise at me. Alright. Got that, dude. I guess we'll get the desk next. Maybe. Piece of a desk. Huh. Top's wood. We can take it though. What is that? A cooler. Okay. This is not a lot, but it's got all that trash on it. Breathing heavy warning. All y'all that are offended when a guy breathes hard. There's a full Sprite. Water, tea, mustard, some eggs, and something else. Cool, man. Alright, well. And we cleaned her out. Like it might have some scrap today. More people took the stuff out when it was raining. Clothes. Glove is soaked now. Alright, we're good. Let's get out of here. And take a couple sticks. Crock pot or a air fryer or something. That's aluminum is what that is. And the cord. Yay. That piece, we'll not worry about that. Okie dokie. Looks like a good place for it. I'll grab that. Close up. Let's see what this stuff is. This is the dumpster. Got the little bits and bobs from. That's metal. I wonder if it's the same type of stuff. There's another box. Let's get it. It's recyclable. Let's see what this one is. Scrap metal. Scrappy enough. Well, it's raining a little harder now. Let's not stick it around too long outside. Okay, last week we found some computers in here. This bag looks a little suspicious, so I kind of just wanted to... Oh, it's donuts. It's just donuts. Well, now the raccoons can get them some donuts, I guess. and dip them in the ocean. Right? Isn't that what they're supposed to do? Alright, on we go. I almost didn't look because this car was parked so close to the dumpster, but I'm glad I did. Boy, I'm glad I did. There's some scrap metal in here. I'll park a little ways off. Task force. I wonder if it works. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put that directly into the. Look at that. Is that a power cord? Or is that like for an airline? Oh no, it's got 2 aluminum ends. So we'll keep it. I think it might be a power cord. Put it directly in the truck just in case somebody shows up and says, "Get out of my dumpster." This one's got brass on the end of it. So does this one. That's big chunks of brass. Well, one of them does. Got that. Fire extinguisher. You can take them if they're empty. They don't feel empty, but we'll empty it. Or at least at my scrapyard. Ask your local scrapyard. Alright, there's some stuff over there on this other side. It is a Yamaha Natural Sound receiver. That was a good dang stop, wasn't it? Even just at scrap metal value. I really don't want to put this back there. It's nice and dry, but I'd probably just scrap it anyway. I'll take it apart and get that transformer out of it though. Cool, man. Here's the bank dumpster. Some of y'all been asking for it. I've been checking it, but there just haven't been anything. I'm not gonna bust open the black bags, but it's just been pretty normal stuff. Normal trash. I'm almost 100% sure those are for the taking. They look old. There's a sign of stuff up there that says free. I mean, it's not on the curb, it's still in their yard. And that door on that side is blocked off. I'm gonna say they are. I'll sit here and organize the truck and give somebody time to run me off. I almost want to knock on the door. I think I will, just to double check. Y'all hold tight. Well, I got them loaded up. I rang the doorbell, knocked on the door. Nobody came out, but somebody opened the blind and kind of did like a half wave or something. So I guess that was take them and don't bother me. Yeah, but there they are in all their glory. I didn't hear no jiggle jiggle in the dryer. Yeah, it's not. That should keep anything else from falling out. Use the dryer as a tailgate. We might have to dump them off at the storage, at the scrap shack. I know this is scrap. This guy, I know, this is where he sets it out for me or whoever comes by. I'll have to put this on this side. Roll out right there. We don't know. looks like a bunch of little... It looks dangerous. I don't know. Piece of artwork, I don't know. I'd hate for it to flop out. Better be safe. I think they'll unscrew. I'll get some metal, couple little nuggets. Maybe, golly. Yeah. Got one at least. That one does not unscrew. We got a nugget. Oh, I got us a couple chairs here. Get my gloves on. What else is back there? I separated the scrap metal, didn't I? Those are decent enough looking chairs. I don't know, they're broke. Never mind. They're heavy though. Let's put a spongy on you. Piece of glass on there. Let's not nacho the glass. May have to. There it starts. Now it's spinning. All kinds of room right here. Silly goose. Room right here too. We got all kinds of room still. Lay the Rodham toy. I'll leave that. It probably might have a little battery in it, but heck, let's see if we can get it. Okay. There we go. It's the world's smallest battery. See, there's a sleeping truck. That's why I don't come sometimes. Oh, they park right in front of the dumpster. Whoa. I don't think we're gonna have much today. I ain't seeing crap. Jeez. I didn't forget to take the trash out. That's plastic. Oh my goodness. Hey, we got more plastic. Oh man. Almost always count on the oil filters. I mean, I fought with that toad up there and everything. I don't see any, do y'all? There might be one way back there, but none right here, though. Oh well. Well, so far for that was a easy tally. That tote fits perfect right on top of there. Right down in those legs. Okay, so make sure that ain't going nowhere. We don't get no oil filters today. Oh, I lied. We got two. What are these? Stick a magnet to them. Curious. Well, we got two oil filters. No sticky, so just like some rubber hoses or something. All right, I'll drop my magnet. Okie dokie. All right. Think there's anything in the case? It's a combo case. Vaults lock up. Somebody punched it. Wonder what was in there. I'll take that. Y'all see anything else down in there? That's empty. That's plastic. Uh-oh. 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 Say no to the makeup. What are these coins, man? What are they? I gotta to shine. Oh, recovery tokens. I wonder if they're brass. I almost recycle them either way. Got a little screwdriver. Got a Sharpie that works. There might be some more. That's just some cheap, but I wonder if that's brass. They're brass or aluminum, I bet. Yeah. Cool. Oh, scrap was broke. Sharpie. Tokens. Pen. Yeah, we'll keep a pen. Hampton Home. Nah. We'll keep it. What do we got? What do we got? Some kind of pump with a big juicy cord. There's some boards or circuit, something down there. Some kind of pump, huh? Oh. What are these? Let's try not to disturb them. Uh-oh, the box is gonna give way. There we go. Cool, man. Oh yeah, I'll be all right back there. I got some IC chips on them, and there's some aluminum nuggets. Cool, man. On we go. Did I don't know if I flipped that or not, but we'll flip it back. Leave it better than we found it, right? I was watching old Nacho the other day. Nacho stuff. Y'all know. Oh, a fold 'em up chair. Yeah. Oh gosh. A fold 'em up chair with a dead animal in it. I think it's just a wig, or somebody got scalped. I don't know. Yeah, I was watching Nacho stuff. If y'all check them out. Oh, I think it's just corn husks. So no, it is. What is that? It is a faux fur. It's fake. But he was wondering what these were called. They're called RPCs. Old Coonts here used to be a produce manager back in the day. An RPC stands for returnable plastic container. Well, you used to have to send them back on pallets and stuff to get credit or whatever, you know. But we'll keep us an RPC. See, I can teach y'all some stuff. I might not be the smartest, but I knew what that was. Alright, cool. An RPC and a fold 'em up chair. Ooh, I see metal sticking out of our good old dumpster here. Oh, guys, we really may have to unload at the scrap shack today. What do we got? I don't know. I think it's a weight bench or something. Somebody took a lamp apart, didn't they? Some mobile scrapper. That would come in handy. Oh my goodness. This thing's gonna be. Oh, it ain't that bad. Is it? I just don't want to make a mess. Oh man. Where are you gonna go, sir? That's what I was thinking too, guys. Right here. And then we'll... Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Was y'all thinking the same thing? It looked like the perfect spot for it. Then we'll put us a bungee around it. There's some more goodies in there. Y'all guys having fun? I'm having fun. Golly. Let's get this back. That's a good bucket. It's a good bucket to plant a tree in or something. That's why it's heavy. I got all these trash bags out with it. keep it in there. Burp. If I had room, I would probably take this. I don't. Well, we got a pillow that says nothing. Alright. Well, darn. Almost did it again. I have a tendency to leave it here. Oh, we're not done yet. I see some more scrap. I knew we wasn't done. I was just testing y'all. Y'all. Cool, man. Boy, this dumpster, it's got to be the best supplier to us of low-grade wire. All these wire harnesses always get out of here. It's a good little amount. We'll just throw it in there. There ain't no oil in there, so we'll just throw in that tote, I guess. Alright. Plastic, more wire. We gotta get stuff like this now. That's just, it's nothing. That's something. There's a big old pile of it right there. Yeah, we got most of it. There's another one. Throw that right into our low grade. Yeah, we'll cut the bulbs off or whatever. There was some little tidbit of metal, wasn't there? Oh, we'll just keep getting wire. Look at, well, yeah. Oh, love it. Whoop. That one's empty. Okay. Cleaned her out, didn't we? That. Did I again? Taking a look at the angles of it. Yeah. That's just a tube there. Okay. That's right for real it this time. Back tire is low. Where it's just squatting for. I ain't got that heavy of a load. A little low, isn't it? Yeah, it's a little low. Tear that dude up. Hopefully we didn't run over a nail or something on this trip and it's gonna be flat on it. On we go. What is that? I got some stuff down there. Oh boy. Another jackpot. Jeez. Let's get these dudes loaded first. Oh. Oh, golly. Okay. It's got some stuff in it. Let's get this one. Don't know if those will stay up there when I strap them down. What is this thing? Just a chunk of metal of some sort. I gotta figure out how to get this thing like that. That's simple, isn't it? Oh, oh. Don't want to forget any. Oh, what was in this thing? I might have to quit filming this location. Portable one. It's scrap, isn't it? I'll say it is. Alright. Cool, man. I'll get this strapped down and we'll get out of here. Well, guess what? Guess what we're not leaving behind? Yeah, we ain't leaving those behind. Alright, the bulbs are taken out of them. That's good. I'll figure out how to get them up there. That's about the only thing I know to do. Why does that not stay up? We're probably gonna have to. It's only got a toilet on it. Big old piece of brass too, huh? I'll be here all day. It's got a lot of wire on it, guys. Get one maybe here. Let's put a strap and I don't know, boys. Put a magnet on the end of that thing. Oh, goodness. some good strippable wire there too. What do y'all say we come back? Guys, I want to fight and get this strap down safely. I'll get back with y'all when I got them all. Alrighty guys, I got it all. Oh yeah, y'all blurry. I got it all up there and strapped down. The only one I'm kind of worried about is that one. I only got a couple bungees on it. Got 3 stacked up here on top of that dryer. Yeah. These ones are strapped down pretty good. I don't reckon they'll go anywhere. They're pretty. Alrighty guys, battery died there, right there at the end. But yeah, we're home safe and sound. Didn't lose anything, it don't look like. I drove super slow and took the back way. I said home is closer than the scrap shack. So yeah, we broke out the big orange strap today. I think this is the best day as far as truck. I don't know that I've had. It's not bulk, is it? In a long time. So let's get our thumbnail. Think that'll work as a thumbnail? Probably not, since it's not in front of a dumpster. But hey, looky here. I took in some scrap the other day at the scrapyard, and this was sitting here. And I bought it from the scrapyard. You can buy stuff from my scrapyard. So I'm gonna use it, or I'm gonna let the wife use it to power wash crystals off, or you know, spray them down. Set them down in there, or at least the bigger ones, and maybe put like a screen on one side where they can get the smaller ones. That way I'll put it up on my sawhorses. That way she's not having to bend down. Yeah, we're going to get some air in that tire. Look at that. It's low. It's heavy a little bit, but I don't think it's supposed to be that low. But yeah, that was the find of the week. Somebody scrapped that. And my shred load was $24, whatever I took in that day, this week. And then that was 22. 21 or something, so I ended up having $2 extra. Yeah, we found a bunch of stuff today. I had fun. Filled up the old truck, didn't we? I didn't even check the other half of the well, not quite half, but there was a lot left to check, but I don't know where we're going to put it. It had been small stuff, and I was just ready to get home. So almost out of daylight anyway. Alright guys, y'all guys have a good one. I had fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it turns out alright. So y'all guys have a good one. See you on the next one.